beginning the class, take your pink paper, or if you have any other color paper, you can take that also. Take 8 centimeters, okay, and you have to make a box of 8 into 8 centimeters, okay, a square of 8 into 8 centimeters, okay. So see, mark your paper. With scale at 8 into 8 centimeter a square, okay, and we will cut it out. Now see, I'm cutting 2 papers together for the same size. Okay, and now I'll just divide them from the middle. Okay, so I've got 2 pink color ka 8 into 8 boxes. Okay, now keeping them aside. And now I will take this light yellow paper. You can take any other color also if you don't have this color. I am going to make a 6 centimeter box on this, okay? Six into 6 centimeter. Okay, now cut it out. Okay, you can keep this paper aside. Okay, now we have a green paper. See, this is almost an A4 sheet. It is around 8.5 inches, that is 21 centimeters. And on the other side also around 24 centimeters, okay? Like this is a bit smaller than A4 sheet. I'm going to use this whole. So if you want to use an A4 sheet, a sheet a bit smaller than A4 sheet, it's fine. But you'll need a big paper. See, like bigger than at least my hand. See, it's a big paper, around A4, the size of your copy and all. Okay, you'll need one paper of that size, okay, of any color. Okay, so just get ready with all these materials and you can cut these, and then I will show you how to cut one more paper. You can get it in light green or yellow or any other color. So just cut these at first, then I will show it to you. Now fold it like this in a triangle shape. Okay, and now we'll cut it in this way also. You can see the crease of the triangle. Just cut this part. Okay, so we have 2 triangles, 2 big squares and 1 small square, okay, and this big paper. Now let's start with our origami craft. Okay, so we will be making a butterfly. So we will be making 3 butterflies, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to start with this one and I'm showing it to you how to make it. If you miss a step or you don't understand, just wait. I will make 2 more after this. See, I'll be making 2 more butterflies after this, so you can understand it at that time, okay? So just pay attention. First, fold it in the middle like this, in half. You have got a fold in the middle. Now fold this paper again to the half, bring it to this crease, see? Bring it to this crease. After folding the whole paper in half, now we are folding the halves in 2 halves, okay? And bringing it in the middle like this. Okay, see? After that, you can take, see, around 2 centimeters, see, 2 centimeters. Okay, if you want, you can even mark that with your pencil, like it's not necessary. If it's 1 or half centimeter up or down, it doesn't matter, but still if you want, you can mark at 2 centimeter. Okay, this is of 8 centimeters, so I'm taking 2 centimeters and we will fold it on the outside, see, this way. Okay, fold it on the outside and same on this side. If you want, you can take 3 centimeters also. Okay, do not just don't take less than 2 centimeters. Other than it's fine. You can take 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3.5, and do not take more than 3.5. You can take 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. These 4 measurements, okay, for this part. And then we will fold the top part in the same way on the outside. See, and it will look like this. Okay, now what are we going to do is we will fold it right here where there is a where we have folded these paper. We will fold it once here and then we can open it back. Now let's start by folding it in this way. See, small. See, this is the small one on this side, then on this side, just like you do for a fan, right? You do for a fan this way with your paper. You fold it in a zigzag manner. See, if you are not understanding, just wait. I will open this and I will show it to you. And also we will be making 2 more butterflies, so no need to worry. Okay, let's look at it. Those who are doing with me, those who have understood. See, I'm just folding it in zigzag manner, nothing else. Okay, now take a girder, open this and put it in the middle. Okay, right in the middle of it. You can do this with a thread or a tape, anything you want, okay? And now open the fan. See? And we have got a really pretty butterfly right here, see? Okay, butterfly 1 done. Let's start with butterfly 2. Fold the paper in half. Now of half, we will be folding it again in halves. Okay, bringing the paper to the middle of the crease. See, here is the end of my paper and here is the crease, bringing it till here. Okay. Now I'm taking a fold of around 3 centimeters here. Okay, this time. Okay, now starting the fold, see a zigzag fold. See, one time on this side and the second time on the other side, and then again third time on this side. See, it's just a zigzag fold, very, very simple. And done. See, now putting in the girder. I'll show you one with tape too, the last one, so that you'll understand if you want to do it with tape. Okay, the last one I'll show it to you with tape. The cutter in the middle, and now open your butterfly. Okay. Use girder if you have it. Okay, I've showed it for the people who don't have girder available or thread, but I guess you use this for your last resource. Okay, if you don't have anything, then use tape. Otherwise, use a girder or a thread. Okay, now let's keep our butterflies on the side. Okay, and let's start with these. With these, we are going to make pretty small leaves. In this also, we will be using zigzag. So start folding like this. Okay, and then we will fold it like this. In this way, make zigzags. Okay, see. Today's whole origami craft is based on these zigzag methods, which are very, very easy and casual. But we actually don't know how to use it in so many pretty ways. Okay, we do it in our daily life many times, in schools, at home, okay, to just for time pass. But then we don't realize that we can make so many pretty things with this zigzag folding method. Okay, just look at this, how pretty this is looking. Just see. Now, when this is done, okay, what we will do is fold it in the middle. See, right in the middle. Okay. And see, we have got ourselves a pretty leaf. You can see it, see? A very pretty 3D leaf. Now just take your glue and see, put it here on this part. Okay. And paste it. And you can see, you can press it from here, the back side where you have 2 single flaps. You can put your hands in between these parts and fold it, see? And now press the whole thing in this way. And see, you have such a pretty leaf we have. Okay, now keep this and we will make one more. So if you had any confusion, we can clear it up now with the second leaf. Okay. Let's start by folding. See, fold it in the middle. Now, keep folding it. And see, keep the folds regular. Okay, do not put one fold of another size, another fold of another size. Okay, try to keep them uniform. See, I hope you all can see this correctly, okay? And now fold it from the middle. And we have our leaf ready. Take the glue. And press it along. And we have 2 leaves ready. I hope all of you can see them. Next part is this one. Start making zigzag on the whole big sheet. This is the very popular one. This is the most common one which we use for our everyday. We make those fancy fans with printed papers and color papers like this in school. See, all of us, we do this thing. So quickly, let's make this. And see, we have a zigzag ready. And now what we will do is, we will fold it in middle in this way. See? Okay. And we will put in glue. And we will stick it on in this way. See? Again, we will make the same thing, one more of this fan. Now my paper is not at my table because of fan. So start making one, even I'll get my paper. So this is one of the fans that we made. We will make one more of these. So now for one more, I have made this in two parts, so that one is like this. See, this is around quarter size, okay? See, if you make a circle, you can divide it in 4 parts. So this is one part of it. Now the other 1/3, the 3 parts of the quarter, okay, we can, of the circle, we can make that with another color if you want, okay? I'm not going to use a paper that is as long as this paper. See, this paper is this long, and this one is right around 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeters smaller than this, okay? Okay, now making fan on this one, okay? Okay, now folding it in half. See, now these two are of 2 different sizes. See, I hope these are of 2 different sizes. Now let's glue this part. Okay, just press this hard, and you will glue this. Okay, see? Okay, and we will glue it like this. See, you can see this. Okay, so now put glue on this part. and we will stick it here. See? Now it will look like this. Just put some glue here in the middle and bring these together. So this looks now somewhat like this, okay? And we will get something like this right here. Okay. Now let's just put some glue. See, you can put glue like this and stick it wherever you want. You can decorate this in the way you like. Okay. First, arrange however you like to arrange your leaves and butterflies. You can use your own creativity for that. Okay. And after that, just put glue. Okay. And paste it. So this is what mine looks like. You can use different colors if you want. And then you can put a double tape on the behind or a string and you can hang it on your wall. You can paste it on anything you like.